Hey everyone, I'm Muskan and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make turmeric cream easily at home. This turmeric cream is 100% natural, is also 100% effective and lightening and brightening your skin complexion and remove all your dark spots, acne scars, pimples and uneven skin tone complexion and will make your skin more flawless, glowing, radiant and spotless. This cream is also very effective to remove fine lines, wrinkles and pigmentation and work as an anti-aging treatment. So now let's see what are the ingredients to need to prepare this highly effective turmeric cream. So the first ingredient which we need is turmeric powder. After we are gonna need rice flour. Then we are gonna need honey. After that you are gonna need rose water. After the rose water you are gonna need almond oil. And the last ingredient which you need is a aloe vera gel. So now let's prepare this turmeric cream, and to prepare this cream you firstly have to take approx 1 tablespoon honey in a clean bowl. And after your honey, you have to add approx half a teaspoon almond oil in it. And now after adding almond oil, just give a slightly mix to both of these ingredients. And now after mixing them well, you have to add third ingredient, which is the rose water. And you just have to add approx 1 teaspoon rose water in it. And then you have to mix everything really well to make a smooth mixture. And now it's the time to add the main ingredient of this home remedy, which is turmeric, and you have to add approx half a teaspoon turmeric in it. And after the turmeric powder you have to add a half a teaspoon rice flour in it. And now after adding both these ingredients you have to mix really well to make a smooth and lumpy paste. And once all these ingredients are nicely mixed, your 90% home remedy is ready. And now just add the last ingredient of this home remedy, which is aloe vera gel. And you just have to add 1.5 tablespoon aloe vera gel in it. Then you have to mix everything really well to make a smooth and lumpy creamy paste. And after mixing everything really nicely, your homemade turmeric cream is ready and it will look like this. This is a 100% effective and 100% natural homemade cream which works wonder on your skin and will solve almost all of your skin related issues within just few days. So now let's see how to store this 100% natural effective homemade cream. So here I am transferring this cream into a small airtight container, and you can store this cream in any airtight container in refrigerator for up to 20 to 25 days. This 100% natural turmeric cream is a homemade treatment for almost all your skin related issues. This cream will help you to lighten and brighten your skin complexion. It will also help to remove all your dark spots, marks, acne scars, pigmentation and hyperpigmentation problem, and will make your skin even toned, fair, glowing, spotless and radiant. This cream also works great in removing fine lines, wrinkles and all types of aging signs from your skin and make your skin ageless, spotless and much radiant than before. So now let me tell you the effective way to use this cream correctly. So the way to use this cream is very easy and simple. You just have to take a little amount of this cream and then gently massage it all over your skin for 10 to 15 seconds or until your skin completely absorbs this cream. And after the gentle massage, just leave it overnight, and if you don't want to leave it overnight, you have to leave it for at least 1 to 2 hours. And after that, just rinse it with normal water and then wet dry moisturize your skin really well. And for the best result, use this cream twice in a day, once in the morning, another before going to bed for best and effective result. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.